What is up, YouTube fam? TJP Fishing Outdoors, and we are back once again. Sorry for disappearing. Next video will be an update that you guys don't want to miss. So I will mention, say, no verse of the day in this one. The update video, whether it's this one after or before, we'll have the verse of the day. Tons of stuff to go through, but in this one, we are going to be working on the truck. So as you guys know, I have this truck forever, okay? And we got rust here. We're not doing full body shop today, okay? It'll be hopefully a quick little video for you guys. I got super glue all over my fingers from gluing my headphones back together.
Anyway.
But here, as you can tell, it's a little mismatched paddywhack. We're gonna redo these steps. They have been painted over many times. They were black when I first got them, and then welcome to Southern Illinois, where everything rusts. And it just rusts and rusts and rusts. So today we're going to be hopefully taking these puppies off, giving them a fresh coat of paint. Will not be the black, it will be something different that is over here. So Gus might be running around. I might put this in a time lapse. No idea. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, okay? I know I'm very inconsistent this year, and it's not my plan at all, but you know, all the way through this, God is showing me things. Overall, it's his plan, but I feel called back to YouTube to share the word, probably in a different way than what we're used to. But anyway, I'll get to that in the next video. We're gonna be taking these off, wire wheeling them down, and then cleaning this rust off, making it bare metal, priming it, painting it a new color, and reattaching it. So there you go. I would recommend wearing eye protection. That was very hot. If I go through this without burning a bolt off, we'll be in shape, but I doubt it. So here's one of them. Yeah, I mean, it's rusted all over the place. It doesn't look like there's a rock in there. But we're gonna wire wheel this all up. We'll do the other side. We'll take off the other side, wire wheel this. We'll probably get this one wire wheeled down and primer, and then I'll start on the other side. Be sure to I know I've done most of this, be sure to do your eye protection and all of that. Hearing protection would be good too. I'll probably do that after. I just got this front step to do. I cleaned it up as best as I could, this step. It's very hard to get into these nooks and crannies, but I'm sure this piping right here, that'll be pretty easy to do. So here we go. I got this little cat wheel and a wire wheel also. Alrighty, so like I said, we have one getting painted, so the truck looks a lot taller. It is a lot taller without those steps. But as I was looking over here, this side, these steps, they don't look bad at all. So I might just take a wire brush and do it by hand, just clean up some of the metal. This one out here was in rough shape. There's Gusser. So if you guys want a little sneak peek over here, I'll give you the back side, the underside of it. Bam, you know, there it is. The bottom side does look a little rough, but it's the bottom side. Nobody's gonna see it, but we're still trying to make it look good. Getting more batteries, because once again, we got another video today. So it'll be a good one, but I will probably catch you guys over whenever I flip it over and paint the other side. Hopefully you can see me well. You see it's all primed up, and that's right. I'm going with this silver aluminum. It's pretty close to my truck color, but man, will it shine. And if I don't like it in the end, I can paint black over it. So I will do 2 coats of this, and then we'll put it back on. The other one, I'm just laying stuff down and all of that and painting right over it because it's pretty clean as it is. So there you go. So there's that. So I will get this, it'll dry, then we'll paint it again. Alrighty guys, and just like that, it's done. I don't even think you can, well, there you go. You can kind of see it. Here's a little step back, there you go. I guess the true test. Well, I don't fall off. So that's good. Alrighty. Well, there you have it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Take the first day with you in the next video or the one before this, whichever. And I will catch you guys on the water. Peace.